watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Bella Gowan. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Clifford the Big Red Dog. I'm going to go over the supplies, but first, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should go ahead and do so right now. Awesome. Well, today we're going to need a blank piece of drawing paper, a black Sharpie or a pencil to draw with, and we're only going to need one color, a red. Well, I think we're going to do great. Let's see what we can come up with. We're going to start off by making the nose in a triangle-like shape. Once you are finished, we're going to color that in. Now we're going to start making the eyes. We're going to take a curved line down to the middle of the nose and start with the right eye curved at the top. Then we're going to make a small curved line inside and color it in for the eyeball. Now we're going to make the left eye. We're going to make an oval-like shape just to the left of the other eye. And again, we'll make a curved line inside of that and color it in for the eyeball. Now we're going to start making the mouth. We're going to make a curved line coming from the middle of the nose all the way up to the left side. Then we're going to do the right side. For the right, it will be a smaller curved line up and it will go towards the right eye. Then we will continue it to go up and curve around for the top of Clifford's head. Once you have finished making the top of Clifford's head, we're going to make his ear. This will be a U-like shape on the left side of his head, and we will bring it all the way up towards his left eye. Now we're going to give Clifford a few details to finish his head. Now we're going to make Clifford's chin. We're going to make a curved line coming from the middle of his mouth towards the left, following the line that we made for his mouth. Now we're going to make Clifford's collar and his neck. The collar will be two straight lines that curve at the ends, so it looks like it's going around his neck. Then for the neck, we'll make a line coming down from his ear, touching his collar. Now we're going to follow that line and bring it all the way down and make a curved shape at the end for the back of his body. Then we will make his back paw by making a straight line and curving it up for the front of his back paw. Then we will add two short curved lines for his toes. Then we will make half of a heart shape for the back leg. Now we will make a straight line that touches Clifford's back leg and paw. Then we will make a similar line that is parallel to that one. This will make his leg. Now we will make a small curved shape coming from the second line we just drew all the way to the back paw. This will make another one of Clifford's paw. And again we will put two small lines that make his toes. Now we will make his chest. This will be a curved line coming from his collar down to the leg that we just drew. Now we will make his front leg. We'll make two lines coming off of his chest and then make a curved shape at the bottom for his paw. And again we'll make two curved lines in his paw for his toes. Now we will make Clifford's tail with two curved lines. Now we will make a small line in between his two front legs for his back left leg. Now we're going to color in his collar. This is how to draw Clifford the Big Red Dog. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your Clifford in with us.